Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to show you how I make my removable quick weave. This is how I make all of my wigs. So I'm going to first bleach the knots on my closure. So this hair was sent to me from Today Only hair company, and they sent me 3 bundles of Brazilian loose wavy hair in 220, 118 and 116 inch lace closure. So I'm gonna have all the information in the description bar for you guys to check out. So I made like a thick paste, and then I use it without putting any pressure onto the closure. I spread that paste using a knife, like how you'd spread butter onto a slice of bread. So that's how I didn't want the bleach to seep through the lace. And then after that, I'm going to tweeze the closure to make it look a little bit more natural. I always tweeze my closure. It doesn't matter if it's frontal or closure. I tweeze them because to make that hairline look a little bit more natural and not so full. So I just go in and tweeze, and you guys can just watch and see how I do that. Sorry, I was in the frame, but I tweeze and then I make a part and then I tweeze again. So I continuously do that until I get the result that I was looking for. Then I always sew my closure onto my stocking foot cap. I don't use a dome cap whenever I'm making my removable quick weave or my wigs. I only use stocking foot cap because the glue will stick easily to the stocking foot cap than the dome cap. Using the dome cap, it will slide, like it won't last as long. So I always sew my closure onto my stocking foot cap. Then I glue my tracks onto my stocking foot cap. So that's what I do. I find that whenever I try to glue my closure onto my stocking foot cap and it didn't last, so I started to just sew it first and then glue the tracks. So this is how the bundles look. The ends are a little bit trashy, but I deep condition the hair, and this is how much I get. That was a 20-inch bundle. I put some hair glue onto the weft, and then I go in with my pump it up spritz, and then I spray some onto the weft, and then I always use my blow dryer to seal that in. This will help the glue to stick, and trust me, I've had wigs that I have for years, 2 years, that I made from glue and using the stocking foot cap method, and it never give me any sort of trouble or remove or anything like that. So I love this because it lays flat and it's snug to my head. I don't have to use any combs or anything. It just stays onto my head, and that's it. I can just grab it and go. So this, I'm just showing you guys how I made this wig. There's not much to say. It's just simple look and learn. I don't need to explain anything else. I continuously glue the tracks onto the stocking foot cap until I'm finished. And for the first bundle, I did not cut the weft. I do the fold over method even though it's glue. And then the second and the third bundle, I start cutting the weft because I was going up to where the face framing is. So I wanted that to be extremely flat, and yeah. Okay, so this is the natural texture of the hair when after I wash it and dye it. It has some loose wave. Then went in with a 1-inch curling one just to add a little bit more, you know, curls into it. Not all throughout the hair, but just I just take just a tiny sections from around the hair to make it look a bit more curly or have a little bit more movement. And I just had some curls in it, and that's it. That's simple look, simple wig. If you want to see how I did this color on the wig, let me know, and I will put a video up. Comment below and let me know if you want to see how I did this color on the wig, because I did went in and did the color, but since my last few videos I show you guys how to highlight and stuff, I didn't know if I should put up another video showing how I did colors. So if you want me to show you guys how I do that, then please leave that in the description, the comment section, and I will definitely make a video showing you how I do that. So I hope you like this video, hope you find this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, also subscribe to my channel, and yeah, take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.